Ito ngayon yung final natapos kong aking paglilinis. Here. So all the weeds from here are put at the base of these plants. And mulch ko yung citronella for the granadas. And here, nalinisan na. Maybe later I will plant some rosemaries here. Ayan, gumib up na yung tuluyan ko nang inalis yung isang mandarin na tuyo. And yeah.